To tag someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can tag someone on the Instagram. To know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram on your device. If you have already done so, then you can simply open your Instagram. So if you are posting something, then choose the photo from your gallery or videos. Now tap on tag people, and you can simply invite the collaborators as well, or you can simply tag as well. After tagging them, just tap on the share option, and then you are just done. And in the story, if you have already uploaded the story, then tap on the three vertical dots, tap on add mentions, and if you want to add someone, then just tap on their name and tap on the add option. Now you have already tagged someone on your story as well. If you want to tag someone and comment, you can just tap the username. For example, I want to tag someone, then I'll just try to tap their name right here. After doing this, the very person's Instagram will be visible, and I can simply post them as well. They can also be seen on the top side if the name is correct, and then you can simply tap on this done option, and then you have already tagged someone in the comments as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.